So the problem very often in any classroom of students we're asked to teach, let's say 30 students at a time, every one of those people is learning at a different pace than the other person. So you try the best you can to make sure that you're not going too slow with the material, that you would lose the people that are interested, and not going too fast, that you would lose the people who really don't understand what's going on. This is the classic problem in any classroom. Tunelark was a great example of how to solve this problem with today's tools in a way that's engaging for students. It's like the computer is the ever-patient teacher. Like they can get it wrong over and over again, and the computer doesn't get mad like I would if I just had to do this over and over again. And they don't get so frustrated because they have an opportunity to practice it at the tempo that they want to. When they're given free time to do other work, I will go around the room and find students using Tunelark for fun. The students are completely engaged and love this. They love their time on it. So it's very well designed to cover a broad spectrum of uses and ages. I think it's an incredibly great tool, and I think because every student in the room is learning at their own pace, when that is happening and I'm in the room and I can walk around and coach them and see what's going on, I feel like for those 15 minutes that they're on Tunelark, I'm so much more effective of a teacher at that moment because they're individually engaged in the process of their own education, and then I can be the observer I need to be to really see where they're at. So.